The Department of Transportation recognizes the almost 80% consolidation rate for public utility vehicle across the country enough for transition to modernization. It is expected that the deadline of consolidation will be on April 30 and no extension will happen as pronounced by President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. According to the OTR, they respect the decision of transport groups and operators to not join the modernization program. The OTR Undersecretary Andy Ortega said the government now focuses on the transition that will happen after the April 30 deadline to provide a comfortable travel experience for the commuters.
Ang fino-focus ngayon ng government is to really make the commuters have the best possible transition from April 30 onwards.
Come May 1, when consolidation ended, unconsolidated jeepneys will not be allowed to ply their routes as they will be considered as colorum vehicles. Meanwhile, to some commuter groups, they expect a transport crisis come May 1. They emphasize that there is already struggle to get public ride even before the deadline. It will worsen on the first day of the next month.
Kinakabahan kami na by May 1, yun na, baka from where I live, hindi na ako madaling makakuha ng jeep, kundi lalakarin ko na hanggang Lopez, hanggang Olivares. Ganun ang scenario talaga kasi if it looks like na i-enforce talaga nila itong consolidation deadline and talagang tatanggalin sa kalsada ang mga hindi nakapag-consolidate, ang ending talaga niyan, ang mananakay ang magsasuffer.
Move as One Coalition believes that the government is not yet prepared for the transition.
Senseless po talaga yung deadline sa April 30. Kasi yung nasabi ko nga po kanina na may mga kondisyon para sa bawat ruta na ma-improve talaga yung commuter service, hindi pa nagagawa ng gobyerno yung side nila ng pag-prepare dun sa mga ruta. So things like service plans, things like service contracts, things like even the most basic local public transport route plans, lahat po yun hindi high quality. So given na maraming mga areas where government hasn't prepared, does consolidation make sense for the commuter? Absolutely not.
JP Nunez, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.